What is going on, YouTube? It's your boy Rue Money, back living the better sweet life. And man, today I got a dope little video for y'all. I know you guys are gonna be excited for it. It's something that I've been working on for quite some time, and I've been sampling it and testing it and making sure it's worked. It's been for over a month now that I've been using this thing, and I've been super anxious to bring it out to y'all, bro. But it is time, man. It is time for me to tell y'all what it is, show y'all what it is. As you know by the title already, yes, it is a new key, right? But it's not just any key, and it's not a gimmicky key either, right? So if you've seen BMW's newest keys, those things are gorgeous, bro. They are beautiful, they're sleek, they're sporty, they are pretty nice for a key, all right? And expensive. They're actually quite expensive. Not only are they excuse me, not only are they expensive, but BMW will not make one for your car if it don't actually come with one, right? They just won't do it. They won't do it. So I managed to do it, man. I managed to figure it out, and we can get these done for the F and the G chassis, bro. We can get it done for the F and G chassis. This is working flawlessly. This one is actually not programmed, but it is done and custom made to be working with my 2020 M340 flawlessly. Okay, so yeah, unlock, lock. All right, no delay. It works like factory. There's nothing wrong with it. You don't lose any functions, and it is one of the nicest keys BMW has ever made. I think the nicest key BMW has ever made. So if you are interested in getting your hands on one of these, man, send me a message or hit me up on my Instagram at TheBetterSweetLyfe, life with a Y, and just, you know, we can get one done for your car ASAP. All right, for the F and G chassis only right now, man. So yeah, now it does also come with a key blade, come with a brand new plain key blade. It will not be it will not come cut, but it will come already working with your car for the remote start comfort access, if you have the remote start obviously, or the comfort access, or whatever your key originally comes with. you get to keep all the same functions. So that's what's super cool. You don't have any proximity issues. It's not like you need to put your leg closer to your car just to try to activate the comfort access. On the contrary, it just works flawlessly. So I'm gonna show you guys how it works, the functions, and of course, again, it's not gonna add any functions to your car. It's only gonna work with what your car already came with. So if your car does not come with anything that you're gonna see on this video, then it does not mean it's gonna come with it. This is just me showing you guys that you're not gonna lose any functions. And I think I have pretty much almost all the functions that BMW offers for their keys. So let's check it out, man. Let's check it out. Oh, and before we go out there, I'm gonna let you guys know my car is dirty. My car is super dirty. I was parked under a tree. It was raining. It got tree sap on it. It's dirty, but I was so excited to bring this video out to you guys. I did not care about trying to wash my car first. I just wanted to get this thing out as soon as possible to you all. So again, bro, if you are interested in this thing, hit me up on my Instagram at TheBetterSweetLyfe, life spelled with a Y, or just send me a message right here, and we can try to get you out a F or a G series out as soon as possible, so you can be the first one. Let's go. Here it is, and we're just gonna start with the regular basic features, such as the alarm, the trunk, now if you don't have the open or the close, you could code it in through Beamer code, but there you go, it does work. The unlock, of course, and the lock. Now for the windows, you want to open your windows, you unlock, and now I could also unlock, of course, your sunroof and open up your sunroof. Alright, so that does work. Now lock will be to close the windows, and of course the sunroof. Works flawlessly, man. Now for those of you that have remote start, boom, and 3 more to turn it off. There it is, man. Now I'm gonna just put the key in my pocket. Done. Now we're gonna walk up to the car, and we are not gonna touch it. Boom. Now we're just gonna walk away from it. And it locks. Super dope. Now this car does have the kick activation for the trunk. It does work. Boom. And if you want to close it, bro, so again, this key works flawlessly. I love this thing, man. I love this thing. Alright, YouTube, so real quick, I just want to show you guys how to pull the key apart before we get this next video started, because I am recording another video for y'all today. But I just wanted to walk you through how to get to the blank key. Again, it will come with a blank key. It will not come cut. So as long as you have your original key or original key blade, then a locksmith shouldn't have an issue cutting it. So let's get into it real quick and get this day started. All right, y'all, so just to be quick, this is the silver and black version. This is just a prototype. I was personally testing with this and sampling with this. So again, yours will not look so beat up and scratched up and fingerprints all over it. All right, but this is the silver and black version. Every key will come with an emblem, so don't even worry about this. All right, this is, again, just why waste an emblem on something that I'm just testing. So if you turn it around, you're gonna see that there's a black button here. This I did myself. All right, I got it from an all black key and then switched it over to the silver key, and then the silver one has a black version on it. So if you guys just want to get different keys and then switch it up like this, you can. However, this will not come in black. This will come silver if you get the silver key. All right, so keep that in mind. You will not get that black button if you get the silver key. It will come silver. All right, now to actually open this thing, and there's YouTube videos on it if you guys want to see how to open it and things like that. However, I'm gonna do it real quick for y'all. You push the button, you push down on the metal. You're gonna see it is no longer leveled. It's kind of opened itself up right there. Now what I like to do is pull right here, and you just pull it apart. All right, once you do that, your key is now exposed. Easiest way to get to that key is right here, boom, and boom. All right, so this is your blank key, man. It is ready to be cut. As long as you have your original, you can cut the key and put it right where it goes, right there. All right, it does not shake, it does not fall out. It is not going to rattle in your pocket. It is sturdy in there. So yeah, man, that is it. Now the battery, you want to get to the battery, again, all you have to do is open the same spot. You pull right here, and boom, this is where the battery goes. Okay, right on here. And then you slide it right back in. Once you do that, you are good to go. Now to put it back together, I always start facing here at the bottom. Now you want to do that. Right there, as you can see, the top is still not clicked in. You want to click in the top, boom, right there. And as you can see, you still have this right here. So slide it down a little bit until it locks in. Boom, and it just locked in. All right, it's gonna take a little bit of pressure, a little bit of strength. It's nothing that you can't do. It's not gonna take Hulk strength or anything like that. Just a little bit of strength will get to it, make it snap in place, and you'll be good to go. So again, this is the silver and black edition. All right, this one that we are offering. You're not going to get one that looks like this, because again, this is my sample one. You're not going to get one with that black button in the back, because this is, again, the sample one that I was testing with, but silver and black edition. All right, so if you are again interested in one of these, let me know, hit me up, and let's get one out to you ASAP. You're